Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Jellygon. So for today's video, it's going to be very different from my niche because today it's going to be food tasting, and this food is from Rkitchen Products. So I am one of the resellers of this product in the Philippines, but it is just under the name of my mother. So this will be the first time that I'm gonna taste the products of Rkitchen. So even though I am seller, I haven't tried it. So I'll just sell according to the comments and feedbacks of the people who ate it. So of course, if you're going to sell something, it's better that you also as a seller tasted it or tried it. And also to tell if it's really good or not. So this is going to be an honest video, and maybe I'm going to tell you what you need to choose if you're going to buy this kind of products in the future. So the first one is going to be rice. So I always eat anything with rice, so I think it is a good food to be paired with this this kind of food, because I think they are like side dishes. Yeah, so the first one that I want to try is called sweet and spicy Toyo. This sweet and spicy Toyo is just recently produced. So when I ordered this one to another co-reseller, we had some problems how to get this one because she needed to go to other distributor just to get this sweet and spicy Toyo. So I don't know if it's going to be worth it. Okay. So it looks like this. Oh my god. The liquid went out from the bottle. I'm so clumsy. Okay, it's so sick. So I think... Whoa, I haven't seen chili in my life here. Okay, whatever.
So let's just have some of it.
It's worth the wait. So love it. It's like bulad na maparat pero matamis. That's why it's sweet and spicy, right? Love it. This is the best. Let's now try this one. So this is spicy burong isda. So this is like a fermented fish. So it is good with rice, maybe, I suppose. I think anything can go with rice. And I'm not really sure what burong isda looks like, but maybe I can put in here the picture. So let me open this. So it's something like that. Anyway, it has lots of oil though, but I don't know. Let's try. So I'm just using the same fork because I am the only one who's going to eat everything, but not eat everything today. Maybe other days. Okay, let me try this one. It tastes like I don't know what it tastes like, but it's very familiar. So the texture is like a cream, like the Cerelac, but yeah, I also love this one, but I prefer the first one.
I'm so loving my food today.
Okay, next one would be this. So this is spicy burong hipon. So this is also a fermented shrimp. So it looks like the previous spicy burong isda. with this one. But I don't know what's going to be the difference, so let's find this out. Wow, this is more difficult to open now that my hands are very slippery. Madre mia. Okay, I am a strong, independent, and beautiful woman. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it looks like the Cerelac thing too, but maybe with a taste. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. Okay, try this one. I don't know why, but they taste the same, but this is again more spicy than the sweet and spicy Toyo, and the spicy Burong is that. But I am loving this more than the spicy Burong is that, because I really can taste the spiciness of this. I think I'm needing a water. So yeah, if you love spice food, then maybe this would be the answer for you. Oh my god, this is so delicious. It looks like tuna, only that it is more smashed alga. I really don't know how to describe the taste. Only that you can really feel that the spiciness of it is really up to the high level. I think it's not good to use it like a viand, pair it up with this rice alone. So if you're going to eat either the spicy burong isda or this spicy burong hipon, I think it's not a good choice to eat barely rice and the spicy burong hipon and spicy burong isda, because I think it's too tasty that even your staple food rice is not going to mask that taste that it's giving. So now my mouth is like, I don't know, I feel like I ate a bunch of onion or maybe garlic, I don't know, or pepper. So yeah, que asco. Okay, so the next one would be chili garlic oil. So I was waiting for this because I know lots of feedbacks that they were saying this is the spiciest of spiciest. Actually, I think it's not very good to use this as my sudan, my viand, because I think this is more with shawmai, I suppose, or maybe your, how do you call that one? The... Oh my god! Wow! Oy, sorry. The nilungag na saging, maybe, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna try eating this one to know how it tastes, if it's really spicy, you know, guys. That's why I have to. Oh. Okay, one thing that I don't like this one is opening them after eating one, because it means that it's getting more difficult opening every bottle if it's really spicy. So that means I'm not getting a lot of them, because maybe I would not be able to eat the last one. Okay, because the last one I think is also spicy. Oh, it's not. Okay, let me try. This is really for shawmai. Oh my god. It's like I'm eating the seed of a chili. It's It's incredible. You know, guys, oh my god, I haven't eaten like a real spicy food here in Spain. Entonces toma, ahora lo tengo. A ver. Más, venga. Yo puedo. Fun. Oh my god. I don't know. I don't know how to remove this. Totalmente spicy. Okay, anyway, let's go to the last product, which is burong isda. So it is just the same with spicy burong isda, the one that looks like a Cerelac. Okay, so this is not spicy, so I don't know if I'm going to love this because I me encanta. ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? Me encanta el picante. Ay, madre. Ay. Ok, ya está. Vamos a probar. ¿Quieres probar? De burong isda. Yeah, the same taste but not spicy. So I would prefer the spicy one, of course. So now, guys, I need to continue eating because since 6:30 in the morning I haven't eaten a lot. I just drank coffee and a biscuit, and I had class the whole day today from 8:30 to 2 in the afternoon without break. So yeah, I am very hungry, but I just hide it. So guys, my favorite would be the sweet and spicy Toyo. This one. So now I'm regretting why I didn't order 2 or maybe 3 of it. And also I love the chili garlic oil and the spicy burong and also spicy hipon, but they are my last favorite. So there are still other variants that are not here, but I didn't order them because because I have 2 friends who brought this one. So thanks to you also, Robert and Jerome. So Jerome brought 2 bottles, and Robert brought 4 bottles for me. So thank you very much for bringing these products to me. Maybe what I don't like when I'm eating it is like I'm so oily, and to be honest, guys, I don't like oil, so that's one of the reasons I don't like to cook, because I feel so oily. You can see my hand in here. Guys, how can I order more sweet and spicy to you? I so miss bulad. Actually, I have a bulad, and it's with Haiza, and I think this coming Saturday we will go there in Alcalá de Henares just to get our bulad, fried fish. I don't want to eat everything, because that means I wouldn't have any more of this, but I just cannot stop eating it, and I hope it will last for at least 1 month. I'm draining. I'm so full. This is really a good food. If you are very hungry, I think this is the best food to eat afterwards. So if you want to order Rkitchen, you can contact me, or you can send me a message via my Facebook, or if we are friends, or if you follow me on Instagram, and or if you know me, yeah, you can directly contact me because I give the SRP of these products. Finally, I've almost finished. So guys, finally I have finished eating, and to be honest, I am very full, but I wanted more, but I need to limit my food so that it will last for a month. That's what I said. So guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. So I hope I didn't make you hungry, but if you are now craving for this food, just contact me on my social media accounts, especially to my online shop. Alright, so thank you for being with me while I was eating, and see you to my next video. Bye!